In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to enable passwordless login options with manager support. This method will not only improve security, but also streamline the login process for your users, making it faster and more secure. Stick around till the end, as I'll give you an exclusive free trial to the software we'll be using, so you can follow along. First, let's dive into why you'd want to enable passwordless login options. It's more secure than traditional passwords, reduces the risk of password breaches, and offers a smoother user experience. If you're ready to make this switch, we'll get started with the software we recommend. Now, the software we'll be using today makes enabling passwordless login simple. It's also designed for businesses, so manager support is built in, meaning you'll be able to control who has access to certain settings. Make sure to check the description below for a link to an exclusive free trial that's only available to viewers of this channel. To get started, log into your admin panel where you'll find the settings for user authentication. You'll want to look for the login options or security settings section. Once you're there, look for the option to enable passwordless login. This will often appear as an option for multi-factor authentication or single sign-on. For passwordless login, you'll likely see several methods available, like biometric authentication, magic links via email, or even SMS-based login. Choose the method that best suits your company's needs. We'll go with magic links today because it's fast, reliable, and works across devices. When you select magic link authentication, you'll be prompted to configure a few options. First, choose whether you want to send the magic link to the user's email or phone number. Then, you'll configure the expiration time for the magic link. Setting it to expire within 10-15 minutes is a good practice for security. Now, let's talk about manager support. With this software, managers will have the ability to control which users can enable passwordless login options. This adds an extra layer of oversight and ensures that only authorized users are setting this up. Make sure to check your permission settings under the admin dashboard to grant managers the appropriate permissions. Once everything is configured, test the system by attempting to log in with a test account. You should receive the magic link in your email or phone, and upon clicking it, you'll be logged in without needing a password. If it works, great. Your passwordless login is now live. To quickly review the process, first, access your security settings. Then, select your preferred passwordless login method, configure the necessary settings, and enable manager support for permissions. Finally, test it out to ensure it works smoothly. Before I close, I highly recommend you take advantage of the exclusive free trial linked in the description below. This will give you a hands-on way to set up passwordless login for your team. Key takeaway: enabling passwordless login options with manager support will enhance both security and user experience. It's a simple process that makes a significant difference. Don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial in the description and start implementing these changes today.